No, it's not me.
Actually, you know what? I don't think it is Dunga because Dunga is looking for green things, so...
Who was it?
I was hiding with the murderer all along.
I can't find any.
Oh. GG! Oh shit.
Didn't you, bitch?
Hello.
Move! Oscar.
No,
move.
Victor,
Oh,
wait,
you're-
Victor,
No,
Victor, wait! We can talk about this, Victor! We can talk!
Oh, I can't
Pink
see
guy,
him.
run! Pink guy, run! Zulu, run!
Wait, why should I run?
Because, well, there's a murderer coming.
Who says I'm not the murderer?
Because he just had his fucking knife out! I'm a coward.
India, surprise, motherfucker. Fuck!
Uh-oh.
What if I were to tell you that he is not India?
He went for me and you shot him! You're a lifesaver, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're the murderer, aren't you?
I'm
Yeah, well,
not.
I'm just gonna make a thumbnail from that. Thank you very much.
Dunga, look, Dunga.
Dunga.
No,
Dunga.
I know you were in there.
Oh my god, that does... That...
I don't think he saw us.
Nope. No.
Shh. Shh.
Apart from the fact that I can see Green Hotel's hands.
We might be.
It's
Oh,
not his hips.
Oh,
got you.
now it's gone.
You look so scared.
'Cause
One
I
of
can
us
see
is
right
the
now.
murderer.
I think it's Lima.
Which one's Lima?
Moron, I've got the gun.
It's Dunga. It's gotta be Dunga.
No, it's not me.
Actually, you know what? I don't think it is Dunga because Dunga is looking for green things. So.
Who was it?
I was hiding with the murderer all along.
I can't
Wow.
Oh. GG. Are you
Oh,
all
it's
in
in
there? Oh, hello. I've just gone face to face with your crotch.
By the way,
I.
two girls making out and joining.
Last time we were here together, you was
Wait,
the
am
murderer.
I think
a
it's
boy or
India.
girl?
I think it's India.
What-
And
what-
sadly,
what-
there are two Indias.
Well, which
Or-
India?
Am I okay?
Oh, you know which one.
Fuck! I crouched into the sprint.
Oh, that's the vending machine of rape.
Yeah.
That-
It doesn't dispense soda. It dispenses rape.
No, it dispenses a crotch shot.
You look very,
It's India. It's India.
very.
guys.
Look,
Don't worry.
You look like a rapist. Is the?
Oh, I love that fucking vending machine. Where? Who's this with me? Who's the
Who's
other
Echo?
grey guy?
Who's Echo?
I'm
What
like
the fuck
grey
is
Echo.
this? Vending machine.
Hello, Bo.
Gangbang.
Oh my god, you two are twins.
Wait, what?
Well, kind of. One
You
of
look exactly identical.
except one of you is Asian and the other one isn't. Whoa, what the fuck?
You, I'm not identical to her.
Shoot Foxtrot! Shoot Foxtrot!
Oh,
Wait,
no,
no.
can't.
Wait,
No,
who?
you can't.
Papa?
No, you cannot.
Whoa, why are people dying?
Kill Echo, kill Echo, kill Echo.
I will
it's
kill
like-
everyone. Who's left?
You really just broke a window by bashing someone into it.
Okay.
That's really fun, you can do that, didn't you know?
Who's
I have no
left?
idea.
Fuck you.
Oh, hello. I didn't even see you.
How did you not know that?
I didn't see. If you hadn't have screamed, you would have been able to get around me.
Do you even know how to get outside?
Out of here!
Don't you?
You're a dickhead, Dunga. You're a fucking dickhead. Oh my god.
Dunga.
Just kill him. Just
run.
kill him. Kill him.
Run.
I want you to kill him right now. Do it slowly. In fact, wait there. I want to see this. Right, I'm watching your screen murder. Please take your time with him.
Yes, go ahead.
I want you to hurt him.
Dunga.
Hurt
Dunga.
him.
Hi, Dunga.
I don't have my gun yet.
Good.
Face plant.
Who are you? Then I'm staying away from you.
You know what? Fuck you. Oh. You fuck this. The first time I was murderer for a while, and you do that to me, bollocks.
Who are you?
Who am I?
Bitch.
How did I get here?
That's the sound you make when you masturbate.
Who am I?
Where's your daddy?
Whoa.
Hello.
No.
I just ran straight to the murderer.
I